Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Crypto DeFi Group coming through live with updates in DeFi, cryptocurrency, passive income, NFTs, and extra. If you're new to my channel, please like, subscribe, then comment in the comment section below what you think of the current market. You think the market will go back to its all-time high soon? Let me know in the comments below. Today, we are going to look at Drip Network. But before we go deep into this, let's go first and look at the market updates as usual. To CryptoRank.online, we see that EM is leading at 13K.9. So I told you guys you have to keep an eye on this cryptocurrency because it is increasing, it is climbing up in this bear market. So it's something unique with this crypto. So keep an eye on this crypto. Bitcoin 19K, Ethereum 1K, BNB 216, Cardano 0.4, Solana 32, Polkadot 6, Shiba Inu. So the market is average. As you all know that we are in the bear market, so all coins are down right now, right? If we go to CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin is leading at 19K, right? Ethereum 1K, BNB 216, and the way things are looking at CryptoRank.online, the same way on CoinMarket. All these are listing pages where they list cryptocurrencies. There are so many out there, but I normally use these two. Okay, so there's no further ado. Let's go straight to our Drip Network. So Drip Network currently is trading at $7. So this is oversold, guys. Remember the all-time high for this cryptocurrency was around $170. So it pumped $170. Okay, because there were so many activities going on, and there was a lot of hype going on with this ecosystem, right? So it pumped out up to 170. Okay, so right now, ever since it has been going down, and it has been slowing down, and it has been going down up to now $7. Why? There are delays in the. Remember, this guy is building animal farm. There are delays in the animal farm, so these delays have contributed to the fall of this cryptocurrency to $7, but it hasn't gone below the price of the starting price of this coin. Okay, so it is still up. So people bought initially, they are still in profits, right? So they are still in profits, and remember, it's giving 1%. Remember, it's giving 1%. So let's ask also some questions here to better understand this. Okay, who founded Drip Network? Drip Network was founded by Forex Shark. Okay, Forex Shark is the one behind Animal Farm. Animal Farm is a yield farm where people are making money. Okay, so it is launching pretty soon. It has launched partly, but it doesn't. It is not yet launched fully, right? So why Drip? Why Drip? Why show you this opportunity for Drip? Drip has been in existence for more than a year, giving people 1%, and people have made thousands of dollars, okay, hundreds of thousands of dollars into this Drip. So it gives you 1%. You can either compound or play. I'm going to show you all these things on Drip Network. This is the UI for Drip, where everything is happening. This is an account. So I'm going to show you how everything works. So what is Drip Network? So the way you can define Drip Network is a FISET, is a low-risk, high-reward contract that operates similar to high certificate of deposit by paying out 1% daily return on investment up to 365. Players can compound and extend their earnings through deposit hydrating, that's compounding. You can use this pattern to hydrate or claim rewards as well as team-based referrals. So with Drip Network, you can concentrate on investment. You just invest your money, whereby you'll be getting 1% until 365%. Okay, that's a year. But the more you compound, the more you extend it. All right. So you can decide to invest without inviting any person to join for referral benefits and make you 1%, or you can refer to friends to any person to join and you get the referral rewards. Okay. Currently, I haven't started getting referrals from this network. That's why you see I have those row here, right? So I've just started Drip also. So let me continue. What are some questions here? All right. So how do I earn from Drip Network? The way you earn from Drip Network, as I told you earlier, you just deposit your money here, okay, and you get the 1% per day. That's the way you earn. The other way to earn is through referrals, right? You can use your birthday address. You can use your birthday address and share it with other people. Whenever they join using your birthday address, you'll be getting some referral rewards here. So that's the way you earn. You get the 1%. That is 30% a month. Okay, that is 30% a month with no any hassle, without any hassle. So this is the best DeFi protocol I've ever came across. It gives you 1% without any hassle. You just deposit your money and get 1%. And it has been giving people for more than a year. It has been proven to be sustainable because it's now 1 year when it is paying people 1%. So the price performance, as I showed you here, what is the price performance? So it has been growing up ever since. It pumped in 2021 up its all-time high here in January 2022. Okay, then from January, it has been coming down. So up to where it is right now, because there's not so many activities going on with this ecosystem, is still building, right? So whenever they're still building, you expect these prices to go down. So soon after all this, we expect this price to pump up to its all-time high and beyond. So this is a buying opportunity. If you want to join this Drip network, this is a buying opportunity at $7. It's oversold. That's what I can tell you. So it's a buying opportunity if you want to buy. So what opportunities lies in Drip network? The opportunities is you can buy now, okay? You can buy now at $7. Then if it pumps to say $200 and you're earning your 1%, it increases your earning potential, right? It increases your earning potential and you start earning some good money if you are bought at these cheap prices. So what is the long-term strategy for Drip? The long-term strategy I use is to compound. The more you compound here, the more Drip will be increasing in your deposits. For example, mine, I'm focusing on hydrating. Okay, I'm hydrating every day. I want to make my account. I want to make my account. I want to increase my account to like $1,000 Drip. If I make it up to 1,000 Drip, that means I will be getting somewhere around 10 Drip daily. Okay, if I get 10 Drip daily, that will be massive for me. Okay, it will be massive for me. So if you want to join Drip network, it is very easy. I always tell you, you just connect your wallet here. Then you use the birthday address. You can use my birthday address in the description below. You use my birthday address. You copy it, you enter it here and update. Okay, and the update. When you click update, to update, and you start earning your 1%. You deposit and start earning your 1%. It's very easy, guys. So I will not make a long video today. I wanted just to show you this opportunity, that this is a buying opportunity. This is a buying opportunity. This is a buying opportunity, guys. Anyway, that's what I had for today. Let me know in the comments if you did drip, what do you think of drip, and if drip would hit its all-time high soon. According to the developer, he said drip will hit its all-time high soon because of the development which happening behind the scenes right now. There are so many things are going on with Drip Network and the animal farm. So this guy is building a big ecosystem. So we are waiting to see what it's going to deliver. So this is what I had for today. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace out there. Until next time. Cheers.